Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you like it down below if you do, and subscribe for more videos. I was gonna do a voiceover for this video and it will mostly be a voiceover, but I realized I was filming way too fast, so I'm gonna have to talk to you guys on here and like show things on the screen. So starting off over here, I have some hats hanging up on the wall. I don't really use them. I got them both from Amazon, so I just kind of use them as decoration. And then my high school diploma is hanging up, and I go to Bob Jones University, so my mom put up these little pom-pom decorations up above my bed, and they're so pretty. They don't really go with the vibe of the room, but they're fun, so I don't take them down. And then my bedding, you can see here, it has a ton of pillows on there. So one of them is from Costco, one of them is from Walmart. The sham came with the bedding, and the two check pillows were from Wayfair. And then that blanket on top, I can't remember where I got that. And then I have some plants throughout the room that you'll see, and these salt lamps, and then my Anchor speaker as well, which is super nice. It was given to me by my brother. My mom gave me that, and then I just show you guys the really nice smooth drawers in my night side. And then moving on over to my desk area, I love this aesthetic shot here. You have my diffuser with my essential oils, and then my stationery and my allergy medicines behind that little thing there. And then I have a kind of antique-ish mirror hanging up. I didn't have a ton of money, so I spent a lot of money on the furniture, and I figured, you know, decorations will be kind of subpar, but the big items will matter. Now I do have this hanging plant. It's really pretty, and it does have this nice decoration vase thing for it. Words are not coming to me right now. I won these little photos, if you want to call them that, and I just hung them up on my wall because I had them for 2 years and I wanted to get frames and never got frames. I might get frames eventually, but right now I don't have frames for those. I keep a tissue box up on my windowsill, and that little box there that you see is my electronics. So it just kind of opens up to have electronics in it, and it's magnetized. And yes, it used to be my Fitbit box. I don't have a Fitbit anymore. And then I have my like small library or book collection. These are some of my favorite books, or the books that I'm currently reading. So if you guys want to see a more in-depth video on what I'm reading, then definitely comment that down below, and I would be happy to make a video about the books I'm reading in 2023 for you guys. Then I have my sticky notes right there, and then my planner from Hosanna Revival, and I will pop up here a video that I showed you guys this planner in more depth, but basically here's the planner. Next I have these cute little succulents. The first one with flowers is fake, obviously, but then the other three are actually real. Underneath my desk is my big computer that has like storage on it mostly, and then I have this storage unit that has my sunglasses and glasses, and then jewelry and watch things. And then I have my favorite blanket ever, this leopard blanket that my sister gave me, on my chair. It's super comfortable. Next is my Bird of Paradise plant going into my like prayer area with my prayer board here that you can see. I just put a lot of encouraging and inspiring things in there, and some of those things I cut out of the book Who Are You Following? I haven't read much of it, but I did cut out some of the things in it that I have read, and I put those up just because they are like inspiring and pretty. And then I have like other prayers on there. And then this is also where I keep my Bible, my main notebook, and my devotional, which is New Morning Mercies. And then this is my little highlighter case that I have. If you guys want to see a video of how I highlight in my Bible, then definitely comment that down below. I think that would be a really nice video idea. Underneath is kind of like the resources that I have for Bible study or reading or devotionals, anything like that. And then that's the other salt lamp that I have too. Then I have that pillow, and that is a dog bed with a cow blanket on top because I like cows, and I especially like the print of cows. Then we're moving on over to my windowsill. I have this plant there. It is real. And then this cow decoration that I have hung up, I got that from Hobby Lobby. That mirror I got from Wayfair. And then behind it, you can also see my purses that I've hung behind there. It makes the room look a lot better if I don't have to stare at that all the time. And then inspired by Ashley Hetherington, she made like a truth mirror. I did some of those on my mirror there, and that is encouraging for me. Then moving on over to the closet, you can just see a lot of storage, and then those dolls up there are my sister's. And the reason I have a sheet over half the clothing is that it's mostly like big dresses and just off-season clothing that I don't want to have to look at. I'm also doing a capsule wardrobe right now, so I have that right in the center, and then I have the rest of my clothes on the right, and then on the left covered. These are the shoes that I picked out for my capsule wardrobe, and I showed my capsule wardrobe up in this video if you want to go watch that. And then some of my workout gear here. And we're moving on over to the dresser where I have these hair scarves hung up on the wall just for more decoration. This dresser is from IKEA. And then I have my jewelry organizer that I got from Hobby Lobby. Choose to Be Positive was from Hobby Lobby. And then my little owl diffuser from Young Living. And that's a fake lavender plant, and my cup that I use for my water in my diffuser. And then this is a real plant with a really nice vase. And that's where I keep my chapstick. And lastly, we have my laundry bin that matches the hanging plant above my desk. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like it and subscribe down below if you have not already. Request any videos you want to see in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next 2 videos.